we're back. We're fully moved in. Both branches are moved out. Now we're into the new one. So if you just want to come and get a look, we're not finished, but we're definitely you will definitely be impressed when you come in. So this is inside our new meet and greet area, as we like to call it. As you see, you'll see some wheels staggered about the place. So these wheels will be optional and for sale on cars. We will sort of get a better system for stacking them and things like that, but for the minute, that's the way it's going to be. Have our beautiful Yaris GR in the showroom here because we thought it was the perfect car to #1 fit in here, and obviously with such low mileage and such good condition, it just really pops. As you can see with the flooring, Tough Tile, big shout out to Chris McNally there at Tough Tiles, and obviously we've got the hex lighting in from them as well. Shout out to Blackwater Graphics. You can see what we've done here. It's just totally different. Like you'll see some of the flickbacks to where we came. This was a tile studio, so there's been a lot of work done on this. Would like to thank Blackwater Graphics and Megan McCormick, who designed all the cartoony type cars, so the Skyline, the Transporter and the NSX on the other side. You see we've kept with all the colours, just our usual grey, green and black. As we pan around here, any motorbike guys will love this. ZXR 400, 3,400 miles on it. People's asked me, is it for sale? Guy asked me this morning. Everything's for sale, but it won't be cheap. Really, really nice bike, totally original. We can get a wee stand, original brochure, keys, tires, all that sort of thing. This is another toy I've got myself in a pretty. Thanks to Andy Day, it's Motorbikes. Pleasure to deal with as always. We have our TV, obviously we're ourselves here on the screen, which is pretty cool. Coffee machine, this is for customers that are coming in. Drinks, biscuits, all that sort of thing. We have here, you can see, this is the designs Megan done for us. We'll be doing this on hoodies, t-shirts, hats soon, supplied by Blackwater Graphics. Here behind we have some of the wheels and things like that, and just a wee thing from Ayrton Senna that says being second is the first of the ones that lose. So we'll pan around here. We've done a few wee quirky things here with the helmet and the gloves and things like that. We've also got, there's our Chris. We have our trophy cabinet, just to show that a lot of people say you're not going to car shows and things like that. Listen, we've done it. We like to give other people a chance. No, I'm only messing, but it's just time for us. We were meant to be at Dub Shed this weekend. We probably will go in a capacity for viewing, but just to get cars up there, we're just way too busy at the minute with our own stuff, but we will go up and see the guys. Some photos here were done, printed out by Blackwater, done by the famous Renus. Done these for me a couple of years ago with the Viper, so we thought that was some nostalgic stuff for us. Strong wheels are going to be mounted in this wall. We've set there in stock, so we'll just put them up just to give you an idea. The biggest change you'll probably see here is actually the office. So this will be used for like finance and dealing with customers and things like that. We're sure to have an open area out there with a laptop and things as well. We want to keep it quite casual, let people feel at ease like we always do. So we've done this again, done the Tough Tile flooring inside. We went through loads of different ideas with the flooring, and you know what, we just carried it through because it looks great. We have a few pictures and stuff we're still waiting on getting printed with Blackwater, a few bits and pieces still in here to finish, but I would say the front office, the meeting area is probably 90% done. So it is in our eyes, so we're very, very pleased, and I'm sure you'll notice a massive difference. If you look here on the floor, the guys at Tough Tile actually got this done for us, which we're really, really pleased with. Just makes it a wee bit our own. But the question you're all asking is, where's all the cool cars? Well, come in here and you'll see. To the left here, we're 58 split screen camper, fully rebuilt. We also have some tools going on in the background. That's just going to be part and parcel now. We have an R8 here to your left. We have the Tesla, which is now sold. And look what's back from Spain. The guy that bought it had problems getting it registered in Spain, so we have it back. So by the time you see this video, this will be advertised again on our ride. He did crack the splitter with a new one coming. That'll be going on to it, so it's a cool car. We have our 2016 A7 in the beautiful green. What a car this is. This is a 2017, 2018 E220. 80,000 miles, fully kitted, de-chromed, all that. Beautiful car as well. You can see the Buick here in the background. Silver Mercedes is sold. With Kuga ST line, they're quite a popular car. We have a new model, I'll go around this way, new model A180D SE, nice wheels, spoiler, all that on it. Golf R, unfortunately, this is sold. Could have sold it 3 times the same morning. Really, really nice car, pan roof, so it is sold. With a beautiful 520D here as well. 97,000 miles, wheels optional, performance kit, TV screens in the back, which is pretty cool. So really high spec car. We have another car you may recognize, not from the videos, but from previous adverts. We have this V8 manual Mustang back in as well. Such a cool car. We have a blue 370Z. A couple of customers on that, so I don't think that's going to last much longer. We have a beautiful 135i. 60,000 miles, 7,000 pounds worth of factory options, sunroof, automatic, Harman Kardon, electric memory seats, fully loaded, highest spec I've ever seen in one of these, with 220D coupe. We have 318D saloon, 435D coupe in red, which is quite rare. Can't remember if it's Japan, I think it's Japan red or Melbourne red, I can't remember which. That's a 2-owner car, which is quite nice. Last owner had 6 years. And the baby's back too, C63, dropped the price of it. 34,995, that will never drop any lower than that. I'll just keep it. And with our X-Drive 2017 520D as well. Just around the other side in the corner, covered in dust because we're still working. We have our Citigo Mark 1 MR2 NSX, Golf R 3-door manual, A45S, R32 GTR in the back, Tommy Mac and an Evo, Toshiyara Subaru, wide body C63, which we've done before, with a beautiful GTR, 2011, 50,000 miles, 660 horsepower, and you won't have seen this. This is cool. This is a S14 with a fully built 2.2 stroker by Richard Bradley. Made just over 600 horsepower in the dyno, and it's proper real horsepower, not pub talk. Works wheels, coilovers, loads of carbon. It was grey, we had it painted Millennium Jade by the guys down at Spread Body Shop who do all our body work, and it's an absolutely phenomenal job. So yeah, really, really cool car. This will be advertised extremely soon. That gives you an idea. I'll turn around just behind, and you can sort of see a wee bit behind the scenes because it is reasonably tidy. So this is where all our cars are prepped. So with 2 ramps here, Johnny R Mechanic, so everything's prepped and put on the ramp and checked over before it goes out. We are putting a partition and things in here and doing a few lights and bits and pieces, so we're sort of wee bit rough and ready just in terms of where the situation is, but that's pretty much it at the minute. And with a yard full out the back. The other thing is we have been extremely busy with sales. We were worried when we were worried whenever we told our last premises in Bangor was getting turned into a car park and another car dealer's moved in. But listen, hey ho, Eddie Irvine, you have done me a favour because look what we have now. So yes, we were worried about sales. I'm passing by, but to be honest with you, the week we transferred from Bangor into here, in between moving, we sold 12 cars that week. That's a record for us. Now, there's a lot of car dealers out there that will say, oh, I do 12 every week. Absolute nonsense. If you only keep 60 or 70 cars, you're doing 12, you're flying. It's the most we've ever done. So, yeah, we're very happy with that. We're happy for all the support you have given us. We're very, very pleased with it. People that's helped us. We had Jake, who done a lot of sort of brickwork and the concrete and things out the back. We had a guy, Jonathan Geary, had done all the plaster work for us inside, a customer of ours. Done an absolutely smashing job with Michael Irvine and his friend who done all the electrics for us. We had the guys down put the ramps in, so we have had some help, but all the painting, all the woodwork, all the stud walls, even putting these plastic trims up, we have done ourselves, which is a big testament to us. I say between the 5 or 6 of us that work here and a few friends, we have done really, really well. So I'd like to thank everybody for all the help that they've given us. We're hoping sort of to have an open day in about June. That's whenever I think we will be finished. We'll probably never be finished because we'll always work at it, but that's where we'll be finished, the standard where I'll go, we're finished. So another couple of months down the line, but we're very, very close now. Our valeting bay is just going to be in here, but it is absolutely filled with everything that come out of the other place. That's why the door's down, because it is full. That whole big section that you've seen is full from stuff from the other branches. So we just need to go through that to decide what we're keeping, what we're dumping. We haven't started upstairs with the offices or anything yet. That'll probably be next month. When we get it done, we'll do some cool, quirky stuff with it. We'll let you get a look about behind the scenes. So yeah, you can let us know in the comments what you like. Let us know if you would like us to review anything that you've seen. And anybody's more than welcome. You want to come down and take pictures, you want to come down just for a nosy. This is going to be a car show you don't have to pay to get into. That's pretty much what it is, and that came from several customers. That's not me saying that, being big-headed. That is what several customers have said. You're coming in here and getting to look around some extremely rare stuff, and it's not costing you any money. Tom, what happened to your nice new refurb wheels?
4 in a day, all 4.
You're